Artificial intelligence, or AI, has revolutionized the way we live and work. With its ability to learn, reason, and perceive, AI has become an indispensable tool in various fields. AI systems use algorithms and data to simulate human intelligence, making it possible for machines to perform tasks that would typically require human intervention. One of the most significant applications of AI is in the development of self-driving cars. These cars use AI algorithms to sense the environment and make decisions based on that data. Self-driving cars have the potential to reduce traffic accidents and improve traffic flow, making our roads safer and more efficient. In manufacturing, robots powered by AI are transforming the way we produce goods. These robots can perform repetitive tasks with precision, speed, and accuracy, increasing productivity and reducing costs. In healthcare, AI is helping doctors diagnose and treat diseases. AI-powered medical scanners can analyze large amounts of data to detect patterns and anomalies, helping doctors make more accurate diagnoses. AI is also present in our daily lives, with virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa, which use natural language processing and machine learning to understand our requests. As AI continues to advance, it has the potential to revolutionize many other fields, from finance and education to agriculture and environmental science. With the power of AI, we can make our cities smarter, our factories more efficient, and our healthcare more effective. AI is transforming the world around us, and the possibilities are endless. Artificial intelligence is here to stay, and its impact on our lives will only continue to grow.